Hey streamers, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to install the Hello WpStream theme along with the Believe demo for churches. Whether you're setting up live streaming for your Sunday services, your Bible studies, or special events, this demo gives you a clean, modern layout to help your message reach your congregation, both in person and online. So let's get started with the installation. So here I'm on the Hello WpStream landing page where I'm downloading the theme. And here are the 5 demos we currently have, and we have 2 church demos already. Today I'm showing you how to install the Believe demo, but we also have a video on how to start the church faith demo. So here I'm starting off on a fresh install, and I'm going to my WordPress admin. In this section, I have to go to the Appearance section, Themes, and here's my 2023 theme, and I'm adding a new theme, clicking on Upload Theme, and choose File. Now that I've chosen the file I've just installed, and I'm clicking on Activate. Here's my Hello WpStream theme. So now that I've done that, I will begin to install all the recommended and required plugins. And of course, I'm starting off with the WpStream plugin. And I'm also doing this with every single plugin before I actually install the demo, because I also need the one-click demo plugin to install it. So I've downloaded and activated all of my plugins. Here's how my theme currently looks like without any demo, so just the Hello WpStream theme. And you can mix and match with all Elementor blocks templates from here, but you can also go to Appearance, Import Demo Data. Here's the Hello WpStream, and here are all of our demos. So we currently have 5, as I've previously mentioned, and this is the one I'm showing you. So I'm importing the Believe demo. Continue and import. This might take a minute or 2, and once this is done, click on Visit Site. And here is the fresh install of the Believe demo. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video and understood all the instructions. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment and let us know what other features you're looking for as a church. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye.